This is Bart, and Bart is a messy guy. But we like organizing so much that we asked him to organize all his stuff. For 2 weeks, Bart will lock himself in his house and try to get some order in the chaos.
Okay, I've organized everything now, but my neighbor who's living downstairs, she challenged me to organize the hallway. You can't really blame my neighbor for asking me to clean it up. I don't know whose painting this is actually. Organized! Get a broom and then I think my neighbor will be very happy. Well, neighbor, welcome home. Now she can just walk through. It's really nice that the sound is really different. Like here it's like really echoing. It's totally soundproof.
Join us in our quest to get organized and get creative. Use the hashtag #ArtOfOrganizing and stay tuned on Bynder.com/art.
That was the ending of the blooper.